Congratulations Noida Catholic Yuvasang on reaching 25 years of giving the children of Noida a platform to splash color on paper and produce some phenomenal painting year after year. This competition was born out of the ideas of a few enterprising youth members, of which I was one. We began with about 400 odd participants in their first year at Assisi Convent School, and within the next 3 years the participants were almost 2,500 plus. This competition has always been received by the principals of our neighboring schools, the respective teachers and the parents of the participants with enthusiasm. It encouraged us to be better than our best. I would like to thank our priests, sisters of Assisi Convent School, the youth animators, and the presidents of Noida Catholic Yuvasang and its members. And how can I forget the volunteers, which were largely our own parishioners, who were part of this beautiful exposition of talent, and we remember them with gratitude for their unconditional support. The work for this painting competition used to begin in June. Folders with invitation letters and documentation for the competition were artistically designed by us. It gave us great pride to visit the schools and to invite them. We also had an originally designed trophy which was used for years, and I am proud to be associated with that. In the early years, when social media wasn't there, we spent hours after our regular jobs to go around Noida and display our posters to advertise the painting competition. It was end July and the weather was humid. I still remember one year, Father came late night with a box full of ice cream for all the youth. We worked as a team and we worked joyfully. The D-Day was packed with excitement. Over the years, we catered refreshments to every participant during the competition, and the organizing was impressive. And how can I forget that year, the Mirinda Man. Hats off to the youth of St. Mary's Church, Noida. Keep our flag flying high with excellence in service as your motto. God bless you.
A very happy feast to dear parishioners. I'm Neeta, the former member and president of NCYS. I feel so proud when I say that I was the member of NCYS, because this is the foundation for a responsible, matured and committed person in life. The numerous events that NCYS organizes is the stepping stone for problem solving skills in life. Especially when I talk about the annual painting competition, there is so much of fond memories I have. Going with my friends to get the sponsors, to convince the sponsors, going to schools, taking care of the entries, the money, the follow-up, writing names, writing identity cards, organizing it, detailed planning of the day and of the prize distribution ceremony, collecting the paintings, collaborating with the sisters of Assisi Convent School and the parish members and the different organizations, having fun in the meetings, developing and the bond with each member, knowing much more about them while doing all these things. I still remember when I was the president, I had signed about 2,500 certificates. I feel so proud, so happy. Wow, myself. I thank all my elder members, the senior members of the NCYS, the priests and the nuns who have always supported us, taught me how to handle situations with a smile and enjoy life. The love, the guidance and the hands-on experience to solve so many different problems empowers me to take up so many different challenges in my personal and professional life. Undoubtedly, NCYS and the members of the NCYS during my time are the best part of my life. Beautiful memories I have about NCYS and the painting competition especially. Thank you all for making every moment at that time so special, so meaningful.
I was privileged to be part of NCYS for about 13 to 14 years. During these years, I was also fortunate to play a pivotal role in around 10 to 11 painting competitions. As a president, from all the activities of NCYS, painting competition was by far the most challenging activity in terms of the dedication, the time, and the commitment it required from you. But every painting competition has taught me great lessons. It teaches you a lot on leading a team, being disciplined, systematic planning, handling extreme pressure, and dealing with officials. I can today confidently say that organizing painting competitions and leading NCYS has molded me into the person that I am today. On the occasion of the 25th year of the painting competition, I wish NCYS a very best.
जय यीशु की सभी पल्ली वासियों को स्वतंत्रता दिवस और माता मरियम के पावन पर्व की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। NCYS में मेरा अनुभव बहुत अच्छा ही रहा। मुझे 7 से 8 सालों में जनरल बॉडी मेंबर से यूथ प्रेसिडेंट का सफ़र बहुत अच्छे से प्रगति पर है। NCYS जो चर्च का यूथ ग्रुप है, युवा संघ है, इससे मुझे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला, जैसे कि कह सकते हैं टीम वर्क और कोऑर्डिनेशन। मैं सभी पल्ली वासियों के माता पिताओं से अनुरोध करता हूँ, कृपया अपने बच्चों को NCYS में भेजें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय यीशु की।